guys, I'm honestly a little tired. I just took a shower. I was outside like from like 10 in the morning and my eyes got a little burned. I'm a little sensitive right here. I think I was in the sun a little too long, even though I applied sunscreen a lot. And I also took my sunglasses off, which I shouldn't have because now my eyes are just like so tired from the sun. So I think I need to rest a little bit. I'm gonna rest for a little bit. But I wanted to update you guys. Literally take a little nappy. So I just got ready, obviously, to have my makeup, and now I have my dress on for tonight because I've been filming some other kind of content, and I filmed my makeup. I think it's just from my other socials. I'm gonna go in with day because I'm gonna do my hair with you guys. So today I'm just gonna put my hair partly up, but in an easy way, because I'm gonna stick this flower in my hair. I got these from Shein. They're literally just like little flowers with a little clip, and they're so easy to use. I've already used one of the flowers, and they look so cute, and it's so easy to just like throw in your hair, and you look so much more put together. There we go. And I'm just not gonna do anything else with my hair other than add a little bit more day cream, mix it with some gel, and just come back. We have a couple minutes before we have to go, or even more. I don't even remember. I don't know what time it is. What time is it? We have reservations really late tonight, unfortunately. Oh, I'm gonna go reapply my lipstick. Alright, before I show you guys what I was doing, I'm gonna put on Lawless in the shade Strawberry Popsicle. I have literally been obsessed with this so much. Like, so stinking pretty. Before I get distracted again, let's do what I want to show you guys. I want to show you guys all the shoes I brought on vacation with me. So, let's go through them. First up, they're so freaking cute. They are Reformation little sandals that I got on sale for like 50 bucks during like the Reformation end of the year sale, which is amazing, by the way. So freaking cute. I had them in my closet forever and I just like never got a chance to wear them, but they actually go so well with the dress I'm wearing. So I'm wearing them out tonight. I think for the very first time. I don't think I've ever worn these before, but yeah. Perfect, super adorable. I'm obsessed. These are little Valentino Espadrille rock stud sandals. I love these sandals. They look absolutely amazing on me, and every time I wear them I feel like they look really chic and like, I don't know, expensive, cute, and they're just so freaking adorable. And I actually already wore them. I wore them on the first night we were here, and yeah, I love these. Another pair of sandals that are a little more luxurious. These are the Hermes jellies that I got actually recently. My first Hermes purchase, which I'm very grateful for that I can do. And thank you to my man. I love these. I actually haven't even worn these yet. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear these tomorrow because they deserve to be out. But how cute are these? They look so freaking chic, and they're very comfortable. They're also true to size. I get asked that question a lot. Are these true to size? Yes, they are. I'm a size US 8 and I got these in a 38. FYI, if anybody's interested. But I love them. I got them in black because they're more versatile. I can even wear these today with the outfit I'm wearing, but I really want to wear those green ones, so we're gonna do that. Another pair of sandals. I bought these Steve Madden Hermes lookalikes in the white because they're so versatile in the white. I've already worn these a ton back home, and yeah, long story short, I tried the Hermes Oran sandals, like the real version of these, at the Hermes store, and they are just not, they don't fit me right. Like a US 8 is a little too big, and then the US 7.5 is a little too like small. So I have a really thin, slim foot, and they just didn't fit right. I actually think these fit better and they're a fraction of the cost. So yeah, I like these. I like my little white. Another Steve Madden pair. These, I recently bought these and I'm obsessed with these. They are so pretty. Look at the heel is perfect. Absolutely perfect. And they're a patent white. So they're always going to look crisp and beautiful. And I'm obsessed with that look. So yeah, I've already worn these a ton back home. I've already worn these here. These are just like the most versatile little shoe that I think every girl needs in her closet. In white, because I wear white a lot, but also probably black and a fun color, because why not? And I got 2 flip-flops. Let me go grab them. Classic pair of Havaianas. I have these in the black. I've already worn these. I wore these on the first day because of classic. Love the material on Havaianas. I feel like they'll last you for a really long time. And I love what people are doing to them where they're like decorating them. I really want to do that, but these are just regular black ones. Let me go get the other ones I brought, and then that's it. Last but definitely not least, I picked these up from Old Navy. So I just got a pair of white flip-flops from Old Navy. They were like $5, and since I'm on my honeymoon and my wedding weekend and all that stuff, I wanted a pair of white that I could wear on a boat that we're taking later. So make sure to follow so you don't miss that, because it's going to be fun. But yeah, these were cute. And I did originally was going to buy the Havaiana ones, but then I decided to buy these because they didn't have like a stark white that I was in love with. And then the ones that I really, really liked were the Farm Rio ones. And they were a little expensive. And then I was like, you know what? Let's get the Old Navy ones. And then buy yourself the Steve Madden heels, which I love because I feel like those are so much more usable for dress up and stuff like that. I feel like I did really good with shoes. And bags. Let me show you the bags. Alright. I brought 2 bags on vacation. I feel like I overpacked my makeup and hair stuff way more than anything else. I feel like I did really good everywhere else. I did pack a lot of clothes, but that's okay. I'm not really planning on wearing all of them. It's just like having options. The first purse I brought is the one I'm wearing tonight. And this was a gift from my mother. She got me this little Ghani purse, which is like the perfect purse to wear during the summer. It's the perfect summer like bag. How cute is it? Really nice quality. I'm obsessed with Ghani. Like, how cute is this? Braided leather. Then you have, what's this material called? Raffia material. It's so nice. And it's like a little bucket. Fits so much. It fits my tripod with my mini camera. It fits my phone. It fits like literally everything. And it still looks like, it doesn't look bunched up. So it's just like a perfect little purse. And it does come with a strap, which I brought. But I normally don't use the strap. I've been liking just using the little handle. This is the bag I'm using tonight, so I'm going to leave it out. But yeah. How cute. Oh my god, it's so freaking cute. I love it. I love it so much. And if I can link any of the stuff that I'm showing you guys, I will have it available on my Shop My. By the way, Shop My will be down in the description. Head over there for anything that you would like to shop. Second item. I bought this bag and I thought it was gonna be like half the size. And so I wasn't sure if I liked it. But now I'm so glad I kept it because it goes with everything. White is like a staple in my closet. I wear white a lot. I know a lot of people think white, like shoes and stuff, are hard to dress. Not for me. I literally wear white a lot. So, staple. Plus, this purse is more of like cream white. So it goes really well with so many things. Like, I feel like I could even wear it tonight. Like, look at this. It looks great tonight. This is by JWP. JWP? How do you say this? Yeah, how cute is this? It's like a little crescent bag. And it's got gold details. It's huge. Like, it fits so much in there. I was able to fit my tripod, my camera, my phone, a bunch of things in here. 2 tripods, actually, because also I brought my other tripod so I could get iPhone photos. And it was really nice. Okay. 2 purses. I think I did pretty good. I didn't go crazy with the purses. These are my fragrances for the entire trip. I'm mixing Miami Nectar. This is Ellis Brooklyn. I did a UCG collaboration with Ellis Brooklyn a while back, and I got like 3 or 4 of their perfumes. I love every single one of them. One of them is my absolute like favorite. It's called Apple Love. I'll put it on the screen. I use that one every single day. This one is like the perfect scent to go on vacation with. It literally smells like coconutty. Like, I don't know how to describe it. I am really not good at describing fragrances, but just trust me. And if you ever see it, go smell it. And then I also did a collaboration with Armani for the Agua di Gioia. I love this smell. It's also very vacation. It smells so good. I'm actually gonna add more, because why not? But yeah, this is the fragrance I'm actually wearing on my wedding day. But for my honeymoon, I'm mixing these 2 to create a delicious vacation scent that I'm obsessed with. It smells so good. I'm telling you, I think this one smells better, but this one's not like a wedding scent for me. This is more of like, I'm at a resort and I want to smell delicious. You use this one. But yeah. I guess let's pack my bag. Lawless, because I'm gonna have to reapply. It's my favorite. Look how pretty. Like, you can't tell me that's not absolutely stunning. So Insta 360 Go Ultra, and it's like my favorite thing in the universe. This is what I shoot most of the B-roll that you guys see. This is what's going with me tonight. Let's check on the battery real quick, because I haven't checked on it in a hot minute. We still got like 4 hours of memory, and we're good on battery. Let's see what I shot last. Oh yeah, when I went to the beach. Ooh, so good. My phone. I mean, maybe I'll take like this lip balm with SPF on it. I got like a little 3-pack from Amazon. They're the Sun Bun, and this one's in watermelon, and actually has like really nice little smells. So I got a banana one, a watermelon one, and then I don't remember the other scent because I haven't used it. But yeah, I'll see you guys when we go do some stuff. I think we're going to the gift shop. So.
You watch what other people say and do. You wonder how they always make it through. You worry what your friends might say if you should fall along your way. It's simply cause you worry you won't move. Whoever you are, just be whoever you are. Just be whoever you
I was about to die for it.
A little kissy booth.
letting all the signals flood your brain.
I'll happily take a picture of you guys if you want.
Sure.
Oh, sure.
I thought you were looking for some.
Come